Idagdag ko sa natin si Bambi ano.
Si Mafood nandun sa harap.
Sabi na kasi yun.
Saka kami dito sa parang bus service dito sa loob. Passenger must be stay so that's strictly not smoking.
He said sorry. He said sorry. Guys, can you see? Your best friend. Big heart. Stop that club. I'm not punching Mama.
Alright everyone, welcome to Tropical Fruit World. My name's Sean. It's going to be my pleasure to guide you around our beautiful farm today. So here at Tropical Fruit World we have one of the world's largest collections of tropical and exotic fruit. We've been growing and collecting them here for the last 50 odd years.
50 years? 60 years.
Ayan, meron pong
In total land area, we're sitting on 215 acres, which is about 100 hectares, something like that. Got about 28,000 individual trees, but we've also got over 550 varieties of tropical fruit. And there is a very good reason why we are so successful in growing all these wonderful tropical fruits, and that's our unique climate. Helping us with our weather is just over here to the right hand side, the beautiful Tweed Valley. It's not just any ordinary valley though, it's actually the remains of an old volcano. It's one of the world's largest volcanic craters. The mountain that you'll see towards the south there is called Wollumbin by the Bundjalung people, the natives to this region, which means cloud catcher, as it is often obscured by clouds forming up around its summit. It's 1,148 metres high. And it's actually the remains of the lava tube. So that was the centre of the old volcano. 3 World Heritage listed national parks surround the escarpment or the crater rim, and it's considered one of the most biodiverse regions in Australia, so more varieties of plants and animals can live in and around the volcanic crater than anywhere else in Australia. So one of the things that the volcanic crater gives us is our beautiful, red, rich, lush volcanic soil. You'll see it as we go through the farm, but it's full of nutrients and great for growing things. Also, the volcano behind us is such a large and dominant feature, it actually changes the way weather is formed and moves through this area, meaning that our farm receives around 2 metres of rainfall. Now the first fruit that I want to talk about today is the world's most nutritious fruit, which is of course the avocado. 11 different vitamins and 14 different minerals and powerful antioxidants. Now, not satisfied just growing one type of avocado, we actually grow 19 separate varieties. And we do this because they actually come into season or arrive at different times of the year. We'll start picking Fiorti avocado as early as 2nd week of March each year. And then as the season progresses, we'll move our way through the different varieties until we pick the last of the Linda and Reed avocados, usually around last week of November. But if the spring has been slow to start or is a little bit cooler than normal, sometimes we can get avocados going all the way into the middle of December. At the peak of the season, we're picking around 1 tonne or 1,000 kilograms of avocados per day. It is still our biggest crop, with about 4,500 avocado trees.
Papaya.
All the fruit here at Tropical Fruit World is all hand harvested, and we've got a dedicated team of just 7 workers. They work all year round, harvesting the fruit, doing pruning and caring for the property, and other long-range jobs that we have. One of the neat things about
Private din dyan. Red Abuque. Saan kayo?
Yes, our Cha-Cha here to the right-hand side. A fairly new plant into Australia, only been in the country about 14 years. These are about 8 years of age, and they produce an orange egg-shaped fruit. There's a very sweet, citrusy flavour. Out of Bolivia originally.
Ganda yung ulo ni Maricel.
Coming out of Central America, next one here on the left-hand side, a sausage-shaped fruit. Called a babaco, it's a very rare highland papaya. Also known as champagne fruit, as it has almost like a bubble or an effervescence to it. Like sparkling soda water. The persimmon, here to the right, looks a little bit sad as it does shed its leaves over the winter months. But come springtime, they'll have new growth and lovely
Naka-wide naman to.
kaki, they call them, I think, in the Middle East.
Ang ganda ng
The sapodilla here on the right, also known as a chickle. Tastes like a pear rolled in brown sugar. Comes out of Guatemala and is known as the chewing gum tree, as all the world's chewing gum used to get made from the sap of that tree. Called the tree of life is the moringa, for all its nutrients, vitamins, minerals and trace elements. It's supposed to be very good for maintaining good health.
Ayan o.
And from Malaysia, the yellow mangosteen. A bit sort of green mango lemon-like flavour when they turn yellow. Not as sweet as the beautiful custard apple there on the right. Much loved at this time of year with its beautiful soft white flesh
Custard
and
apple.
its beautiful sweet flavour. A member of the Amina family of fruits coming out of Central America.
Atis lang pala yun.
Custard apples, and we grow quite a few different types. Some very unusual ones as well. A macadamia nut tree is here on There's also some papaya over there, which was one of the best fruits for your digestive system. We harvest the green and make a lovely Asian-inspired salad. Harvest it when it's orange and they're nice and soft and sweet. And we also harvest the leaf of the plant, as it is medicinal. Can help to lift or boost the body's immune system. As we turn the corner here, on the left we've got the star fruit tree. There's a few in there if you look closely, shaped like a star and taste like an apple.
Hoy, may murado.
6 rows of dragon fruit here to the right with red, yellow, white, purple and magenta. All different varieties. There's also some pink panthers in there, a variety we developed here by crossing the red and the yellow. The yellow is the last row there, covered in hundreds of very thin, sharp spikes.
Dami walang
It's the
bunga,
reason you don't
guys.
see it in the markets very often, as the labour to clean them
Yellow
is
cherry
very high.
guava.
A little tree here to the right-hand side is called a miracle berry. Comes out of West Africa originally. It just produces little red berries within season. But they do incredible things. They contain a compound, and when you let it dissolve in your mouth, it actually alters or changes your taste buds, so you can no longer taste sour or bitter flavours. So
Mandarin.
things like lemons taste incredibly sweet. It's really bizarre. And the effects last about 30 minutes.
Yan ang bahay natin.
Chan.
Down the hill to the right, the shorter trees are mandarin, had their yearly prune after the harvest. The ones closest to us here are an Australian citrus called a finger lime, called the caviar of limes. The juice actually stays within little capsules in the fruit. They call them pearls. When you break open the fruit, these tumble out. Look like
Sa
caviar.
Marayas to guys. Sa Marayas. Shout out sa Tagapalali.
You don't get
Ayan.
any of the flavour till you pop the individual capsules, so it's a bit of a mouth sensation, mouthfeel kind of thing. Getting these little explosions of lime in your mouth. As you bite down on them.
gumawa ng daanan.
Oh.
Punta doon.
The large trees down the hill there are some of the 52 different varieties of mango that we grow here. Considered the world's most popular fruit, they're originally from India, and we grow 52 different varieties. We are actually a bit cold for good mango production. They do like warmer weather, and they tell us that by only fruiting every second year here on our farm. Whereas just a couple of 100 kilometres further north, they'll fruit every year. Canister, also known as egg yolk fruit, here to the left-hand side, ripens to a golden yellow and becomes soft and crumbly, just like boiled egg yolk. It tastes like sweet potato or pumpkin. It's one of the top 10 nutritious fruits of the world.
Mamaya tikman mo yan lahat.
Tikman natin.
To the left, the black sapote, also known
Baka
as
dyan,
chocolate
baka
pudding
sakaling
fruit.
dyan gumaling yung ubo ko.
As when ripe, it has a beautiful velvety black flesh,
Ano sa puti?
just like eating a chocolate mousse.
Lang lang yan. Saka yun ang ano, ng ice cream. Kaya,
To the right, the Casamaroa, known as the siesta or sleeping tree, as you can make a herbal tea or sleeping potion out of the leaf of the plant.
hindi na ano, hindi na
Hindi na
lumaki.
lumaki. Sa lamig.
From El Salvador down to the right is the Mammy sapote, or pumpkin pie
Sa
fruit,
puti. Oh, sa puti.
with its very sweet cooked pumpkin-like flavour
Sa puti
and
guys.
the
Paranaque
orange
na.
flesh
Malapit na
added to the
Paranaque.
pumpkin feel.
Yung nanay, mami. Mami sa puti.
Supote. 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 Ano yan?
May bahay dun sa baba.
Mamis.
Ayong nakita mo doon sa
We've
baba
got some experimental trees here to the right. These are very tropical varieties, so that's why some of them are covered to keep them warmer over the winter months. They include things like the durian, that smelly fruit from Asia, purple mangosteen, the queen of fruits, and cocoa, chocolate from Venezuela.
Imba. People fruit. Kakao.
Punta tayo doon.
Ay, hindi tayo na.
Punta tayo doon.
Punta tayo sa baba.
Maglalakad.
Some lovely bananas up the hill here. We grow quite a few types of banana. The blue Java has a more banana ice cream-like flavour, and the skin is slightly blue and it's green. Sacria, sugar banana, very sweet variety. The next row is Pisang, a variety favoured in Sri Lanka. And we also grow a red banana, called the strawberry donut.
Ay,
Look closely at the trunk of this next tree, the Jaboticaba here on the left. Those little flowers turn into black grape-like fruit.
Manila.
They call it the Brazilian tree grape.
Manila
And
ka
it
rin.
tastes
White
somewhere
ones
between the
yan.
grape and the lychee.
Oy, Santoy.
Alrighty, we're going to stop the tractor here.
Daw,
And
Santoy.
I'll open the gates and we can go just forward on us. So we have a little snack stop. We've got some beautiful macadamias to crack open. And there's some lovely farm bananas there as well. I might just have to go steal some more from the other tree, but grab some macadamias while I organise some more bananas.
Dito tayo sa nakarin natin.
Bakit daw?
Macadamia nuts.
Naku, gawin pa tayong unggoy dito eh. Saan naman si jacket mo? Iwan na lang natin yung jacket. O dali na.
Paglagyan ko na makati niya.
Ay, sige na. Hindi na natin.
Iwan mo yan.
Iwan ko na.
Sa kanila din.
Iwanan ko na lang.
Paglagyan ko. Mas malaki pa ito pa niya.
Aray ko.
Pupunuin ha. Magtira ka.
Saan pwede tayong
May
kumuha?
saging doon. Ang dami.
Green sapote.
Di ba? Pag sinaputi ka, hindi ko biberde talaga yung balat mo.
Kaya nga. Oh, ito. Oh. Custard apple. Okay.
Big bag. Beng! Bozag!
Ah, pwede pala tayong kumain.
Pre-taste to, pre-taste.
Pre-taste daw. Try natin. Oh, kain ng kami. May bulsa ako.
Andun siya.
Saan?
May mata dito. Dalawa ko.
Kani ako.
May mata dito.
Ayun ang ginawa kanina. Oh. Walang niya ito mga.
Gusto mo, Day?
Ayun ang bigay siya ng saging. Pinagtira ko natin. Bring down more, Beng. Ay, wait, ate. Hindi ko mabuksan. Wow!
Hindi na kailangan isabit mo. Bitin ko na yan.
Oo. Dalhin mo na lahat.
There we go.
Ito mas maganda to.
Kuhanin mo na yung isang buwig.
Kuha ka sa bago ka.
Ay, ang sarap. Ay, sarap.
Ang dami.
Gusto nyo pa?
Ate ah.
Jen, gusto mo? May, teka lang, kuha na kita. Ako na yung pulsa mo.
Kaya pala ako bibili. Masarap ang mga kasama. Hindi malanta. Want banana?
Jen!
Nanti yung banana.
Here we go.
Saan na si Saud? Saud, you want banana? Saud! Banana? You want?
Hindi pansinin yung saging.
Kuha ko ng saging. I want more. Yeah?
Slowly ripen them, that's why. Not like the supermarkets where they gas them.
so different.
Yeah, they gas them. Yeah, in the supermarkets they actually gas them to get them perfect.
Huwag dito sa harap.
Very quickly, but the banana is still green. That's why it doesn't taste the same.
Nakatingin pa sa ako.
Our bananas don't look so pretty,
Very
but that's
sweet.
because we naturally ripen them.
Yeah.
Open your door. Ibang lugar. Yeah, open your door.
Ang isa, ang dami na puno na yung bag niya. Anong kinuha mo pa? Ito, pangbala si tirador. Pangbala si tirador yan.
Mas marami. Yung sa atin doon. Malaki. Ganito pala yun.
Ang sarap ng saging. Natural na natural ang pagkahinog.
I don't have internet.
What? Paisa. You on your data. The seafront has it.
Because it says that our hotel is on big.
Para siyang mani, ano?
Mali talaga siya, makadami nuts nga.
Mani na bilog.
You think
Ano
ginagawang
talaga,
chocolate
ano
white?
talagang pangalan ng ano niya?
Macadamia. Si macadamia.
Ang hirap mabuksan.
Kailangan kasi may panuktok o gano'n, no?
Ay, water. Pangit.
Guys, trust me.
Yes, babe?
Bendy found some on the floor that are huge.
Really? And then,
Yeah.
where is it?
On the floor. Like,
Meron kami nito pangantanggalin.
Yala ka out. Yala. Yala.
May mga nakasakay kami dun sa parang carnival. Tapos may station na
Saan tayo mag-picture natin yun?
O, tara.
All of these white
Tara, hey.
turn into those. So it looks almost alien-like.
Guys!
Tastes like a cross between a grape and a lychee. So very sweet, a very sweet grape.
Are they not in season?
Not in season, no. They're just flowering now. Maybe another month or two away. Looks almost alien-like.
Ikaw, dali na.
Almost alien-like. Doesn't it? Looks like some alien disease has taken over.
The red one, is it like red or
Quite. Very green.
Makadam yan at maganda.
Danny might jump back on the tractor. We've got lots more to see, yeah? There's a whole lot of animals waiting for you guys to pat and feed. Kangaroos,
Yalla, sir, yalla.
some sheep, some goats, some miniature horses.
Hey, Adi.
I've got the inbound group here at Stock 3. I'm just loading up now. I'll be down shortly.
Yalla. Yalla, Said. Saudi.
Here. Come up like that. That's too big to go and climb up.
Go. No. Said, please. Go. Ah, green sa puti. So, bababa naman kami, guys. Oh. Puno na ba ang mga bulsa nyo? May mga baon na ba?
Sigurado na, walang gutom ko.
Oo, ako nakadalawang saging ako. Nawala yung gutom ko, promise.
Nagkita-kita dito yung mga Bumaba ka dito, mas nahirapan na yun.
Oo, puno, oo.
Pakialamanan.
Oo nga naman. Ano yan?
Basta saan gagawin mag-rin.
Mind your own business.
Kanina wala kong bibili doon, hindi na ako bibili.
Libre tikim pala naman eh. May asin.
Yung nabibili na yun ng lasa.
Oo, may lasa na. Ay, thank you Lord. Nabusog talaga ako. May baon pa ako isa. Oh, may baon pa ako. Na. Ricky. May laman ng lahat ng bulsa ha. Pag kinapkapan tayo, sama-sama. Para yung may laman ng bulsa natin. Green sapot. Alin? Oh. Kay Peli, 6 packet naman eh. Hindi pinuno nung ano. Puno na ba? Hindi pa. Puno na to. Ah, iba yan. Nasa loob na yan eh. Okay guys, punta kami sa ibang ano, bababa kami. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron dyan. Bababa pa tayo? Ay, hindi pala tayo bababa pala. Wow. Dragon fruit.
Umalis siya, ganyan ka lang.
Lots of bees over there on the left-hand side. They're one of the hardest workers here on the farm. Flying around and visiting all the flowers, collecting pollen and ensuring pollination, which means those flowers will turn into fruit. As a bonus, we get farm fresh honey as well. And that is the honey that we sell up in the gift market area. Our lovely lychee trees here to the right hand side, you can see how we prune them very short. That's to give them protection against the